hello. For those of you who are new to this channel, my name is Dr. August Dunning, and I talk about dry fasting and all the other research that I've been performing on time travel. It's been a couple of moments or two between my last video and now, and that's because of some of the things I've discovered. My entire theory of aging is pretty much in the next book, and it's absolutely right. And I'm so glad I've gotten into the blood donation regime about 2 or 3 years ago, really heavily. So yeah, there's been that. I've been writing, I've been correcting, I've been fixing things. And this next book, Return to Youth, it's kind of mind-blowing. I'll probably have to update my philosophy of time travel book too, just to make sure everything is completely consistent across the two platforms, because the philosophy of time travel is my working book. This is my living document that records this idea of how to stop dying. That's what it is. It's not endless aging, it's just stopping dying with a youthful body. I mean, that's the objective. So that's kind of what this channel is all about. There's lots of videos below that tell you more about dry fasting, the nuances, the things I've done. I go through complete dry fasts, about 5 or 6 of them on this channel, to show you what happens day to day as I go through them. And again, I don't suggest anything I don't do myself. So in that respect, I have some creds. So yeah, what I would do is get this book, The Phoenix Protocol, Dry Fasting for Rapid Healing and Radical Life Exchange, because that's what it does, that's what it starts. It is the first wagon in the circle against time. And it's really interesting because it's easy to read, easy to understand. You can do it yourself. And I believe I'm going to start dry fasting classes at Observer Ranch next year. I think in April is when it's scheduled. And we'll see if we can open that door to more education on this particular subject. Anyway, please look below, please subscribe, please hit like. Look at some of the other videos, and I'll be posting more daily as we go on here. So welcome to the team, and for those of you who are already on the team, hiya. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, all that stuff, and I will talk to you later.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.